So hey guys, how's everyone going? I'm back with another video. It's been a while, but I just received my order of my GoPro Hero 8 Black, and it's my first GoPro, so I'm very keen to try it out. And let's dig into it and see what the unboxing experience is like. So, what have we got on the packaging here? We've got Hyper Smooth 2.0, so that's a increase from the Hero 7, which had the original Hyper Smooth that GoPro introduced. You've got 12 megapixel camera, you've got 4K at 60 frames per second, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters or 33 feet, and you can live stream at full HD 1080p. Some of the other stuff on the back, you've got 8x slow-mo, time warp 2.0, so a time lapse, improved time lapse. Again, hyper smooth. You can shoot in RAW. You can do some HDR modes, live burst, and it's touchscreen. It's got audio controls. And it's got new mounting system, which we'll have a look at too. And it's got a GPS. So, how do we get this baby open? Just from the bottom, there's a little tab here. Okay. So, the GoPro. Let's open up. Let's see what we've got in the box. This is quite difficult. So what have we got? We've got USB-C, so it's now USB-C cable. I'm not sure if the Hero 7 was or not, but this is a welcome addition, as all my phones and everything is USB-C now. You've got a little mount, I assume, little adhesive mount. You've got the battery. Instruction booklets, GoPro stickers. And something about GoPro Plus, which I'll be keen to try. Some quick installation instructions. So it's just telling you to download the app, and we might go through this as well. And if you need help, talk to them. And then you've got GoPro, so you have to, if I read this correctly, it's asking you to unscrew this. I'll download the app later. So obviously it comes with some sort of mount. Take this off, and you've got the little fingers here, which I was talking about before. These fold in and just come out like that. So pretty easy. And then it's telling you to hold them in, put the battery in, which is just here. Door opens, grab the battery, actually charge it through here as well. So you have to charge it with the battery open. So with the battery door open, plug it in, charge it up, and then it's telling you got a little mount there for the one that's included to put on your helmet or something like that. So relatively easy stuff. If you have any specific videos you want me to test out or upload any videos from GoPro, please let me know and I will. If you can, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.